When you understand what keywords are driving traffic to your channel, what are the kind of videos your audience are actually loving from your channel, then it is very easy for you to create content to scale up your channel. I'm going to share the complete details, so make sure you're going to watch till the end. Welcome to Shri Ram Benur channel. Let's get started. Now I've just logged into my YouTube studio. Now this is the usual dashboard that you see. Now what we are interested is not in this dashboard but in analytics. Right now we are in the analytics section. Okay. So we are not interested in overview. What we are interested in the reach. Okay. So when we go to the reach section, one of the most important thing for us is the click-through rate. So make sure your click-through rate is good and it is increasing. If you are having a click-through rate less than 3, that is not really good. Okay. Now, if you are having a good click-through rate that is more than 5%, and if you're still not getting views, it could be where your audience are not engaged, which I'm going to tell you how exactly to see that in the next section. So this is what it indicates. Out of every 100 people who are seeing your video, 4.6% of them are clicking to watch the complete video. Now here it says impression and how they lead to watch time. So 63% people saw your video as an impression. 4.6% of them clicked. You got around 2.69 you got around 2.9 lakh views. Average view duration of 4.53. Now this is something interesting. Now the videos whatever people have been watching, the average view duration per view is 4.53 minutes. Now which is really good. Now that is the reason why this channel has also been scaling up. Watch time 23.5 thousand. Okay. Again, traffic source playlist. So you need to understand playlist really play a major role for you to get good number of watch time. So you can see here there are a lot of playlists that have been doing really well and they have been getting good number of views as well. Now here comes the interesting thing. Traffic source. What are the keywords that people are searching on YouTube which is actually leading to my channel? Now here it says portion of your total traffic 50.6%. The top one is solar water heater. That means if somebody is searching this particular keyword, it is going to point to my videos. So let me just quickly show you with example so that you can understand. Okay, let me just open YouTube in a new tab and show you that. So I just opened a new tab. Let me just quickly search as solar water heater. Okay, now if I search this, you could see that the top video that is coming in YouTube search, even if you search that keyword, you should be seeing the same thing. It is a video from my channel, solar water heater installation 200 liters with 2.1 lakh views. Now, if I create a video on the same topic again, still it is also going to come in the top search. To prove that, I have created one more video recently, which you can see, even this is also coming in the top search, just in the third place, correct? Again, if I search as say for example false ceiling, even for this particular keyword, I should be seeing videos which are seeing in the top, coming in the top. You see this? Again, this is video from my channel A to Z construction. Or you go for plumbing work in house. Now, why am I actually saying this? If you create more videos on the same topic, you are still going to get good number of views. You see this again? Plumbing work. Okay. So A to Z construction. So it is still topping. Correct? So this is a good understanding for you, which is going to tell what kind of keywords are actually leading to your videos. Once you understand that, you can create more and more content as well. One thing is, for some of your channel, if it's a beginner's channel, then probably your video may not be coming in the top. But these keywords are indicating that these keywords are actually driving traffic to your channel or your videos. So one good way for you to grow your channel is understand these keywords and create videos which have similar keyword. Okay. So if you created a video maybe in 2021, you can create a new video in 2022, updated version, right? With the same, by using the same keyword, it is going to rank higher and certainly you can get great views as well. Now this is something that is important that you need to understand. Okay. So again, house construction, these are the keywords that are really getting a lot of engagement. Okay. Now let's understand the other thing. Traffic source. YouTube search and suggested videos, right? So from YouTube search, it is getting around 50% of the views. So which is really good. That means when people are searching for a particular content, when they land on the video, they are feeling relevant, and that's how YouTube search has been helping me to get good number of views as well. Again, suggested videos. That means where YouTube feels when somebody is watching a related video, it is showing my video from channel A to Z construction, where it feels that okay, this video is something that people may be liking, and that's how I've been getting around 27% of the views. The more you get views from suggested videos, your channel is going to grow really fast. Okay, so again, browse features, other YouTube features, external. So I'm not going to go much depth into this. Okay, so traffic source, external. Again, it is saying from where the content is coming, or from where the audience are coming. They're coming from Google search, WhatsApp. I'm not sure how from WhatsApp. Maybe people are sharing my content on WhatsApp. Okay, that's something that could be possible, where people are coming from WhatsApp as well. Okay, so traffic source, suggested video. Now here it is giving an example, which are the videos which are suggesting my videos. If I just click on this particular one, okay, let me see if I can just open this and show you. So this is that video. Let me just quickly click on view on YouTube. Okay, so it says this is actually suggesting my videos. Let me just pause this. If you can see, right at the top is a video from my channel, right? As they clearly said, this video is recommending my video, right? It is going to give you an idea what kind of videos are actually recommending your videos. So you can take idea of this, and certainly you can create these kind of videos also. Okay, now that's a good understanding what you're going to get as well. So one thing that you need to understand is, not all the channels will be able to see this kind of data. Why? Because now YouTube needs to get a decent amount of traffic to your channel. Only then all these sections will be enabled. Now once we are done with the reach section, let's go to engagement. Now this is where you need to understand how audience are engaged to your channel. Only when they are engaged, that's when you're going to get good audience retention and views as well. Okay, so here's the watch time. Now what we are interested here is, okay, if you see here, key moments for audience retention. See about typical intros. Now what is typical intro? The first 30 seconds is considered as intro in a YouTube video. Okay, if you are able to hold your audience attention for the first 30 seconds, you have a higher chance of getting great watch time and views as well. Why? Because if you see here, somebody who stays for first 30 seconds, they tend to retain more for your more in the video. Okay, so in this first 30 seconds, there are around 37% of them who have dropped. Okay, 63% are still there. Let's take for an example of this, right? So in this video, if you see, in the first 30 seconds, around so how much is that? Around 39% of them have dropped. Now if you see after that, once somebody sticks for 30 seconds, they do not immediately drop. That means they are connected to your video and they are going to watch your majority of the video. If you see, they are coming almost till the end, correct? So that's how this video is even coming in the top again, right? So you could see this. So you need to understand, if you see that okay, your video is not performing well and you're not getting good watch time or views, now this could be one of the reason. See how many are still watching after 30 seconds. If it is less than 50%, then it is not good. Why it is not good? Let me give you an example here. You see this below typical intros. So this video has got only 45%. That means around 55% of the audience have dropped within the first 30 seconds, right? Now after that, there are audience who are retained. So this is not a good way, correct? So that means I should have probably done a lot more better in the beginning of the video to hold the audience attention. Now how can we actually do that? That's an interesting question, right? What is that we can do in the first 30 seconds? See, you need to understand, for your video, whatever you're creating, what could be the most interesting thing for you to retain their attention? Now, the easy way for you to think is quickly search that topic on YouTube. Okay, say for example, I'm going to search as auto clean chimney. Okay, auto clean chimney. Okay, before creating any video, you got to first make sure you're watching all the videos which are in the top, see how they have done it, and then create your video so that you get a better understanding. Watch each and every second in the beginning, at least for the first 30 second to 1 minute. See how they are starting. What is the hook they are using to retain the audience? Only when you understand that first 30 seconds important section, how it has to be delivered, that's when you can have better audience retention in the beginning. When you have better audience retention in the beginning, certainly you are going to get great views as well. Okay, so again, you can see all these videos are getting below average retention in the beginning, because of which these videos have not got so much of views. This video has got around 5,000 views, right? On the other hand, if you see, probably I think this has okay, this in last 28 days has got around 2,400 views, because this was uploaded much before, but still it has been getting views. And again, this has got around 11,000 views, right? A video which is going to be retained for a long time, it is going to generate the views. Now this video was uploaded almost around 2 years back, 1 year back. Still in last 28 days, it has got around 3,153 views. Why? Because the audience retention is high. Okay, so understand this. This is something that is really important. Okay, next, as you scroll down, so top videos, this is going to indicate which are the videos that are performing really well in your channel. Okay, so see, you need to understand from this. If you see the video which I have created for 3 hours, it is still doing great in my channel. Now something that I have created for almost on 48 minutes is doing really great. That means for my channel, probably the long form videos are doing well. So I could consider creating longer videos too. Okay, now that's something that can be understood from this. Next is the top playlist. Okay, so these are the top playlists within my channel which have been doing well. Now what is that you need to do when you understand this? Now say for example, if this is the playlist that has been getting good number of response, make sure you are including this particular video in your video end screens or in the info card, so that you drive more traffic to this particular playlist. Okay, so that's how this is indicating. Again, top videos by end screen which have been performing well when it was shown in the end screen. So these are the videos that people are choosing to watch more and more. So top cards, top end screen elements and things like this. Now that we understood this, one of the most important thing in this is audience retention. If you can retain good audience in the first 30 seconds, you are going to rock. You're going to rock. A combination of good click-through rate plus a combination of good audience retention is the secret for you to grow massive. Okay, now let's move to the next one, audience. Let me scroll down. Now this is something that is really interesting. Okay, other channels that your audience are watching. If you see here, YouTube also tells what are the other channels that your audience are watching. Now if you understand this, you can just go to these channels and see what kind of videos they are creating and what kind of videos are getting good views in their channel. Now if you understand that, you can certainly create those kind of videos and you are going to get good number of views. This is an important metrics. Again, so if you are a beginner and if you just started your YouTube channel and if you are not getting good number of views, then this is not going to be enabled. Certainly it is going to be enabled once you start getting decent number of views. So just focus on creating the right kind of content. Okay, follow that consistency, right? Certainly you will be able to see this section enabled in some time as well. Okay, so you can take a lot of ideas by visiting to these channels. Next, other videos that your audience are watching. In fact, it is also telling what are the kind of videos that your audience are watching. See, literally, it's something like YouTube is telling you what videos you need to create. It is saying here, now this is a video that people are watching more who went from my channel to the other channel, right? Wow, what is this? Outlandish work in do creative new ideas. Okay. Again, tremendously dazzling work of wall elevation. So 2 days, 35,000 views. 5 days, 25,000 views. Right? So construction technology, 2 days, 36,000 views. So when you understand what videos are trending, and if you can create something similar to that, then you can certainly grow your channel, right? So understand that. And what if you don't have access to this metrics? It's very simple. You need to see which are those channels which are related to your content. Okay. So quickly search on YouTube. Say for example, I'm going to search as house construction. Okay. If I search this, you're going to find a lot of channels, right? You just follow them, right? It could be this channel, or you are seeing many channels here, correct? Go to those relevant channels and see what kind of videos they are creating, and see what kind of videos are trending in their channel. Okay. If I can show you, say for example, consider this is somebody else's channel. Okay. If this is somebody else's channel, go to their video section, click on sort by most popular. It is going to tell you what videos are trending in the channel. When you understand what videos are trending in the channel, right, you get an idea what kind of videos to be created. Now let me tell you one more thing. Now this is something that you can apply and watch similar channels to get ideas on what kind of content you can create. You can also go to your own channel, sort by popular videos, and see what videos are really trending in your channel. If you see here, now this is a video which has got around 42 lakh views, and this video is around 48 minutes, right? Step by step house construction. I just recreated the same video. If you see that, even that got over 25 lakh views. I again recreated the same video. Let me show you that step by step. One second, where is that? So yeah, you see this 365 days work in 3 hours. Now again, this is also a similar video. All these 3 videos are related. Because I understood this video is performing well, I recreated same content again and again, right? But all these videos are updated. So once you understand what really works well in your channel, and when you create that kind of video, certainly you are going to grow much faster as well. So that's how you need to take idea from your own channel and go to others' channel, sort by most popular, and see what videos have been trending in them. The other thing that also you can do is, when you go to somebody else's channel, see out of last 10-20 videos which have performed really well. Now say for example, if I search as Indian construction, okay, let me take for an example of this particular channel. If I go to videos, okay, you just quickly see which videos have been doing well in recently. Okay. Now if I say about recent videos, I think probably this channel is getting average of around maybe 5 to 10,000 views, correct? Now if you see, this video has got around 13,000 views, right? Now that is above average views, which is related to false ceiling, correct? Now that could be an idea for you, right? Again, you could see this. Again, this is related to false ceiling, which is getting good views. So that's how you get an idea. Understand which are the videos which are getting above average views in others' channel. That is something that can give you as an idea to create more content. And second, understand from your own channel. Okay. So one other most important metrics that you need to understand is when your viewers are on YouTube. So this shows when exactly you have more of your viewers on YouTube. That means if you post when you have more number of viewers on YouTube, certainly you can get more views as well. Now if you see, as this color becomes darker and darker, it indicates that you have more number of viewers who are available on YouTube. So when is the good time to publish? See, when you see this, many of your viewers are on YouTube, just post around 1 hour before. Okay, now it is saying that, okay, around 8 p.m. the viewers are more for this particular channel. So that means if I post video around 7 p.m., it is going to be really good because I am posting when viewers are actually increasing on my channel. So consider this 1 hour before, that's around 7 p.m. is good. Again on Monday 7 p.m. But however, yes, so for some channels it might vary. As you see here, I think probably on Sundays I have a lot more audience for the channel after 10 a.m. right, and after 2 p.m. it slowly increases, and as it comes towards 7 p.m. we have more. So this is how you need to decide when exactly you need to publish your video. So if you publish 1 hour before many of your viewers are on YouTube, you tend to get at least around 1.5 times higher views compared to publishing on any other time. Okay, so let's continue. Just pause the video and comment your important learning from this video. I'm going to read each and every comment. Let's continue. Now let me just take it down. So top geographies, which are the countries that are watching videos. So that's good. And here is something interesting. So you also see this subscriber bell notification, right? So subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel. The typical on YouTube is around 10 to 30%. So for this channel, it's around 27% for my channel A to Z construction, which is towards the upper percentage. Okay. Now subscribers who turned on all notification for channel and enabled YouTube notifications, who have also enabled YouTube notifications. So that is anywhere around 5 to 20% typically. Now for my channel, it's around 17%, which is towards the higher side. You need to check for your channel how exactly it is. If it is low, then that means in the video you need to explicitly say that please do click on that subscribe button, hit that bell notification and select all notification. You got to mention that so that people are going to do that as well. Okay. Let me just quickly come down. Okay. So this is all good. You understand the age category also and the gender, so that it is going to give you an idea who are the kind of audience who are checking your channel. Okay. So that's how you understand how exactly is your channel performing and how exactly to get ideas. Okay. See, only when you understand your channel and take action and create those content, you can certainly grow massive. Now that you understood about YouTube Analytics, click on the info link to understand how to rank your videos in the top search. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. Always straight to the point. See you in the next video.